Alright guys, so we are back. In my previous video, uh, went ahead and flashed the BIOS and upgraded the iDRAC along with the lifecycle controller. So now in this video, I want to go ahead and configure RAID. Like I said before, this particular system came with 4 drives. It's capable of, what is it capable of? 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe it's capable of 8 drives, but came with 4, and each one that it came with was supposed to hold 4 terabytes. However, looks like one of the disk is defective, so instead of having 16 terabytes, I'm only left with 12 terabytes. So I've had to try to rethink how I'm going to set this up. But I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just create a RAID 0 across each of the disk, and then I'll just for right now, and I'll put different operating systems on each of the 3 disks, and roll it from there. So I just hit F1 and looks like it's going to take us hopefully into our lifecycle controller again. I believe we can do this all from the lifecycle controller. I think there's a wizard that helps with that. And just FYI, this is going to be, I think, in, what is it, H710 perk controller, mini perk controller. H710 mini perk controller, or RAID controller that we're going to be using. So let me wait for this to boot up. Alright, so it's looking for a boot disk. That's fine. I don't know if we can go into system setup, F2. Alright, we're in here. Let's see. Device configuration. So we're in device configuration. There is the integrated RAID controller. Can I expand this? Make this kind of bigger? Yes. Much better. RAID controller perk H710 mini. Let's see if we can click on that. Let's see, controller management, view controller change. I don't think. Let's see what the. I don't think these are already okay. So it sees 4. There's 0 virtual disk. 512. Okay, so. Spin down hot spare. Does not look like there's any RAID on here. Apply changes, set bootable device, no. Allow replace members, whatever. Rebuild. Blah 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 blah. No power settings. I'm not seeing anything there. Don't know if I want to clear the configuration. Yes, you know what? Let's clear, because this is almost like This may take a while, but this is almost like doing that factory reset initially in my last video with the iDRAC and BIOS, just to facilitate a lot of things. So yeah, we'll clear that. All right, let's go to virtual disk management. There shouldn't be any virtual disk. Okay, so now we can create a virtual disk. Cool. Physical disk management, view physical disk. Alright, so that one's good, that one's good, that one's good. Yeah, so there's only 3 that are happy. Blah, blah, blah. 7200 RPM, 6 gig, 40 Dell. Okay, alright. Those should all be the same. So like physical disk operations. Ready. Alright, cool. Alright, perfect. So let's see if we can make a new virtual disk. We're gonna set it as RAID 0. Free capacity. This virtual disk is going to be called Windows 2022. Server 2022. Up. Only so much it'll let me type in, so WinServe 2022. X64. That's perfect. We want it to be a terabyte. Read ahead, write back, default. Yeah, that looks all good. Virtual disk size 4 terabytes. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. Are we good? Virtual disk size. What is that? 4,000 gigabytes. It does not like this. Why aren't you liking this? It's gonna be RAID 0, server 2022, virtual disk size, write back, default, disk cache, enabled. Write through. Do we need a read ahead? Write back, no read ahead. 4 terabytes. Disk cache. Oh, you know what? Ah, that's right. I can't do it. I think it's 3785 gigabytes. Maybe? Is that what it's trying to do? 3785. Can I do 3 terabytes here? What is wrong? Interesting. Stand by. All right. What am I doing wrong? I want a RAID 0. Select physical disk. Okay. Sorry about that. Hard drive. Let's do both. Let's do the first one. Apply. Okay. Okay. Aha! Now it did it for me. Perfect. It populated this. Alright, I was missing a step. Sorry. Select the physical disk. Now it's going to allow me to create the virtual disk. Confirm. Yes. Perfect. Alright. Let me check something. Okay. So I think I went back in here to make another RAID 0, unconfigured capacity, select the disk. Alright, here we go. So now we're gonna go to the next disk, make that another RAID 0. This one we are gonna call it Proxmox. Perfect. Let's leave it as that. Oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna do no read ahead. I probably need to do read ahead, but just to make these more uniform. Confirm. Yes. Okay. And our last one is going to be both. This one. Apply. Okay. This one is, are we going to call it unraid or TrueNAS? I want to do unraid. Perfect. Leave that as is. Right back, default. This. Alright. Yeah, right back, default, create. Confirm. Yes. Okay. Perfect. So now, yeah, we don't have any more space. That's fine. So we should be good. Back. Finish. Alright, it's gonna reboot here. And now I need to click finish there. Exit. And now I need to get server 2022 ISO. So I don't know if I can do it from here. Yes, I can. I don't know, we can do the VHD. So let's get that. And then let's get this too. Cool. Perfect. So we'll start downloading that and let this boot up. But I think at this point, let's go ahead and do F11. Oh, that's interesting. I'm not getting any issues with my memory now. So I'll make sure that downloads, but I think that's pretty much gonna wrap this video up for the as far as the RAID controller. I could have hit Control R to get into it. But I think it's already been set up. So now I'll wait for these ISOs to download for Server 2022 and then mount them and install them, and I'll do that in another video. Take care. Bye.